naughty?
Yep. Yep, Mama.
He's naughty, isn't he?
Yeah, see more goats in a minute.
See
Oh,
more
the car
goats?
right behind us is
It's a
feeding.
bit bigger than a goat, babe.
See more goats in a minute.
Oh, that's me.
Is it?
It's see big for a minute.
Do something to this bloody room,
Easy.
get on.
It's see drama wash a
Yeah.
Do
minute.
something to this room.
It's see drama wash a minute.
I'm gonna see a grandma one in a minute.
Yeah,
Are you?
yeah. Huh? I don't see drama.
Well, we gotta go round, babe.
See some more in a minute.
Look, the seagulls.
What's the seagulls?
No seagull airfield.
There's a few coaches coming now.
Look, Alex, look.
Oh, look, there's another one in the road and some having their breakfast.
Oh, look.
Hi.
Look, Alex.
Where?
They look a bit stumpy, them, don't they?
Yeah, I was going to say, is it these or is it cows?
I think that's a cow.
I don't think it is.
It is, it's a cow type thing.
Oh, I like cows.
Yeah, because they've got horns.
Somebody's obviously chucked food in the road there.
Yeah.
Right?
Somebody's obviously chucked food in the road.
Yeah.
Look, they're coming to say hello. Look, Alex, look.
They say hello with me. Hello. Hello. They say hello with me.
Did
Did he
he?
come to say hello? Look, these are coming as well to say hello.
The car right behind us is feeding the animals.
Yeah,
The one
alright.
in front is feeding them as well.
Yeah, and the one behind.
Look, they're coming.
Like, the one behind is literally going.
Hello. Hello.
I don't know what
See
they are,
the
John.
grandpa one now.
Did you see the grandpa one?
I see mummy one now.
Yeah?
Are you recording this one?
I
Yeah.
see mummy one now.
Well, Dad is.
I see daddy one now.
Yeah, there's
Yeah?
a few coaches coming in.
Hold on.
Not for the, this
So there's some that side as well.
A daddy one.
Look, see, they're having food over there.
drive-through.
Look, Alex. Look, they're all having their breakfast.
Yeah, a breakfast like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it takes a while, doesn't it? They've got to come through there.
I see tiger minute.
Yeah, we'll see tigers in a minute. We might have to drive round twice so we
Why?
can see the giraffes. Because the giraffes and the zebras aren't out.
Come back through that bit. No.
Dracula.
You're not allowed to open your windows here.
No. We're not allowed to feed anything in here.
There's big flip on me.
How a giraffe.
There's no giraffes in this bit.
There.
That's not a giraffe, baby.
These are sheeps in here. Sheeps. Alice, these are sheeps. I think these are
These are
goats.
reindeer, love.
Oh,
They're deer. They're not sheep,
Deer.
they're deer.
Yeah. There.
Yeah, look. And some goats.
goats.
Hopefully it's better.
Oh, mommy one. A daddy.
No, that's a baby one. Look, he got spots.
Oh, baby. I'm another one, little one. Oh, isn't that cute, Alex?
Ugh.
He's got there.
What's disgusting?
The tiger bit poo that time.
You seen the tiger had a poo last time?
Yeah. My
Yeah.
Eh?
John said the tiger had a poo last time.
So, if we can.
Leave it, because it'll be too
No.
dark for Daddy to film it. Get it all dark.
Right.
You'll have it.
I don't want it.
Have a
Doors,
tiger.
windows, and sunroofs
A
locked.
tiger.
The tiger? Alice, get out.
A tiger.
Well, we're going to go see the dogs.
Oh, those horrible dogs. Grandma don't like.
I like it.
Of course you do.
Is she done now? You see dog too. You see
Now,
dog
Grandma
bear.
don't like those dogs.
You see dog bear.
You ready to see the doggies?
Then right down the bottom.
Ready?
Ready,
Ready?
steady.
Go!
We might not see them though, because sometimes
I don't know.
they're away, aren't they?
They'll, sometimes they will with their nights.
Yeah, curled up somewhere.
Where?
Yeah, they all go with their nights all
There
together.
you are. You can tell them.
Sometimes they're asleep all in one patch.
Yeah.